live. I'm recording. My friend says something about making zombies dance and going bowling in zombies, bro. So here we are. I couldn't help myself but turn the recording on. Oh shit, here we go to a fucking cornhole. I was not expecting this at all. Oh shit, look at this shit, y'all.
Rally point.
Get on my lane. Get on your lane, Freddy. Get on your lane. Pick a lane and go bowling. Pick a lane.
Destination mark.
Each get a ball. We each get a ball. Come here. I got one. Zombies, Freddy. Okay, let's get it. Got me one. My ball. Food. And Devin double striker. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, gutter balled it. Just like my real life. Got one. For sure. Supercharge. How you supercharge it? Oh, you hold it to supercharge. Yeah, it does supercharge. Hold it. Hold it. Oh yeah, y'all are mine. Come in, baby. This supercharge is kind of cool, bro. Oh yeah, I got 3 on that one. Supercharge is kind of cool. What's up? Where y'all going now? Kind of cool. Oh, damn, Kevin. Thanks a lot. Oh man, I didn't even see the dances. I didn't even see the dances. Look at them, look at them go, look at them go. Everybody behind you, turn around, Freddy. Look at the dancing, bro. They're over there getting it, bro. My controller finally stopped vibrating, bro. It just now stopped vibrating, bro. It vibrated for 30 minutes. Look at the what, bro? Oh shit, yeah. It's turn, bro. It's turn, bro. I'm gonna go lap around, bro. Y'all keep balling, bro. How y'all doing? Y'all having fun? Y'all fun? Y'all having fun at the party? I brought y'all through for the white women. But get a ball. Oh no, I came back too late, third place. Everybody get trophies. Go. Trophy, what's my trophy? Give me that. I got like this. I don't know. I think we're good. They're not gonna attack us, right, Devin? So dance with them? Y'all try to dance?
Nah, they weren't trying to dance.
That was cool. That was cool. Dancing with zombies. Oh, zombies. Nice little Easter egg.
I'm keeping an eye on you. So far, I'm impressed. Don't fuck it up. Body shots are for rookies. Max armor.
Was it max ammo or max armor? Damn it! I just ran out of ammo. Okay, it was max armor. God damn. Okay, right.
Marking armor.
I'll help Mark. Right here.
Setting rally point. Armor available here.
Devin, how? But what's bubblegum really for? Time to go, Insta kill. Give me the zombie.
Setting rally point.
No, not at all. Devin, Freddy, let's go level our guns up.
Shooter.
Come.
I don't think Strauss ever figured out how this machine works.
Ready to impress me? I sure fucking hope so. Rolling stun!
35.
You're headed. Keep popping skulls and you'll have no quarrel with me.
I think he said that he'll take that.
Full power. Got a one-way ticket back to base with your name on it.
Okay, Freddy, come here.
That weapon's hardened.
Max out. Throwing Semtex. Serving up knuckle set. Nice and hot. Stuck, kid. I plan on outliving all y'all. Lay that macchiato machine there.
Now when you
Scratch that.
Oh yeah.
That's way to.
These shit shufflers are about to learn what real pain is.
Tear them to pieces.
Yeah, by the way. That's a back to touch my hand.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Sorry, Alpha. Expo heroes needed elsewhere.
Max up. Anyone need loot?
Ready when you get a chance.
Loot identified.
Oh, it kills zombies while you got lives.
There was a time when our hardware wasn't this advanced. It fucking sucked.
the twerk. Guys, please. I'm right here where you
Destination marked.
Freddy, I'm right here. I'm right here. It's nice knowing you guys. He ran through his own border straight. He didn't even get a kill cam for it. That's how serious. I didn't know that was possible either, bro. I did the same thing the other day, so I thought. Bro, yeah, I went back to get my gun leveled up, and that's how I went down. I waited too late in level. Bowling was crazy though. I was just trying to get a quick recording of zombies for y'all, so I can get this that fucking bowling Easter egg, cause that was crazy, bro. That was crazy, bro. You never would have understood that if I would have tried to explain it to y'all, and I just had to give it to y'all straightforward. That was 12 minutes of a good recording, bro. I might throw something on later, but this is going straight to YouTube right now for Ricky Spanish, bro. Y'all be safe, stay tuned. Like I said, I'm 24/7 Twitch and Kick. You can always find me live or a old episode of me running live, because we keep track of them. They're all live on YouTube, so you can go watch them on YouTube and peep the whole journey. But eventually I'm gonna get better at this exit.
New arrivals could have used you sooner,
people,
but
you know,
welcome just the
go
same.
crazy on their exits.
I'm in the
That was
mansion,
kinda weak.
command center.
Get the vibes.
Injured, but intact.
I love y'all. Thank y'all.
Most everyone else is